you remember how we kissed in the kitchen as the coffee pours? By the end my face was sore from your stubble, but I still wanted more. And all the miles that we spent in the air, where we're going I don't care. I'm just so glad that you were there that night in the restaurant, because I got to say, so I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured, you are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected, boy, we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. In the morning we will start up the French press, I'll be thinking to myself, how did I get so lucky? Your heart is sweet like honey. And in the evenings when we settle in bed, it's like you're in my head. How did I get so lucky? So I say it again and again. So I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured, you are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected, boy, we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. Making out in the back of that Prius, no bikes in there to interrupt us. In your favorite spot behind my ear where nothing in the world can touch us. Sometimes you take my breath away, I hope I never forget to say, so I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you, what are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured, you are water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected, or we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon tea.
Hello， 大家。今天虽然下雨，但是我和小月还是打算去另外一个 vintage market 逛一下。SOA 那个应该是去不了了，我们已经计划了好几个星期了，可是一到周末就下雨，所以说 SOA 那个不知道什么时候才能逛到。但是今天我们觉得都计划了这么久了，那就换一个，好像是室内的吧，换一个 vintage market 逛一下。不管怎么样，我们都要去逛一逛，然后就是下雨也出门。今天是彩色的一天，绿的、黄的、蓝的、白的都穿身上了。然后我的指甲也是五颜六色的，还有这边这个，两只手甚至都不是同一个色调。
I'm stuck in this pattern where every little thing matters too much. I can see the stains of all the careless words. I say them 'cause they hurt. Staring at a map where I can't read the legend. I question every method I have. So I'm looking back to how we got things started when I gave you my heart, yeah. Oh, I still know the way. Oh, this train is running late. I seem a little far away, but I'll get there someday. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. I need to reach out and stop our world from spinning. Find a new beginning for us. Even when I'm in doubt, I've gotta trust my instincts. I know you're standing with me. Oh, I still know the way. Oh, this train is running late, but seem a little far away, but I'll get there someday. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Wait on me, wait on me, wait on me. Oh, I still know the way. Oh, this train is running late. Might seem a little far away, but I'll get there someday. I still know the way. Oh, this train is running late, might seem a little far away.
哎，不可以喝里面的。朋友们，我家空调坏了，真是太热了。我现在要做一杯冰咖啡 ，decaf， 然后来降温，真的是太热了。我感觉我站在这里，我都在出汗。
seasons change, but I'm stuck in this pattern where every little thing matters too much. I can see the stains.
OK， 我现在又穿成了像冬天的样子。总的来说呢，就是我们家空调的 thermal 坏掉了，就是控制温度调节的那个开关，那个控制面板坏掉了，然后就导致这个空调它没有办法开了。我就打电话叫人过来修，然后他说他还要再打一个电话给 thermal 那个公司，然后找人过来换那个调节温度的那个控制面板。在这期间呢，他可以帮我把空调打开，但是他就只能一直开着，因为他没有办法调节温度嘛，他感应不到温度，他就没有办法自己停下来。所以说现在我们家又很冷。看，就是他把这个面板拆下来了，然后现在就连着几条线，就让空调还可以正常的工作，但是就是停不下来。我好心疼我的电费。Hello， 大家，过来跟你们做一个 ending。你们看我这么开心，就知道我的空调一定是修好了。虽然我前面没有录，但是其实上个星期我过了我28岁的生日，然后凡哥也从加拿大飞回来帮我一块庆祝了。对，就是离30岁又近了一步。今天晚上呢，我们2个要一块飞回多伦多，然后明天从多伦多飞埃德蒙顿去找我表弟和他老婆，然后我们一块儿去班夫玩一下。我弟已经给我安排了特种兵行程，希望我不要给他们拖后腿。OK， 那这支视频就这样，我们就下次在班夫的旅游 vlog 里面见吧，拜拜。